Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from today's title, I'm going to be doing a Look Fantastic unboxing. This is going to be my first unboxing video with Look Fantastic. So I'm really excited to have a little look and see what's in their August box. So this is the box for August. It's actually collaborating with Rosie Connelly. So really excited to see what's inside. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave a lovely little comment in the comment section. Thank you. So before we get started, I'll just tell you a little bit about Look Fantastic and their beauty boxes. So Look Fantastic, they do the beauty boxes on a monthly subscription, which are £15 each. I do believe they do a 3-month, 6-month and a 12-month subscription as well, which obviously you do get a bit of money off. But all of their boxes contain products worth over £50. So every month you're getting really good goodies, and it's just a good way to try some new products out, I think. That's obviously why I've signed up with Look Fantastic, and of course, you know I work with Look Fantastic anyway. I am an affiliate with them, so I do receive some commission on some discount codes that I might share with you across my channel. But yeah, so let's have a little nosy because I'm really excited to try and see what's going on in here. So first off, actually, let's just talk about the box. How pretty is that? Like, cute little box. So let's have a little look inside. So we've got some cute little wrapping paper. Oh! So the actual magazine for this beauty box is online. So I'll just scan this through my phone and then I can talk you through each product that's in the beauty box this month. So in this month's beauty box we get a total of 6 products, which is really exciting. I can't wait to see what's actually inside it. So we'll start off with, so here we have the Avava. This is a smoothing body lotion. So you can apply this just, you know, with dry skin, or you can do it in the shower. So that will be really interesting to try. I've not actually tried or even heard of this brand before. So let's just have a little look and see what this does. So it's a hydrating body lotion infused with superfoods to moisturise the skin and revive the senses. So massage a generous amount into slightly damp skin or post-bath or shower. So I'm going to give that a cheeky go tonight once I've had a shower. And there's a little tip. If you store your masks in the fridge, the coolness will help reduce any puffiness on the skin. I mean, I didn't even know that, to be honest, so I'm learning things already, and that's only the first item. So yeah, so we've got that first item. Then we've got, I mean, who don't love a cheeky bit of dry shampoo, like, let's be honest. So this is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo. So basically, I mean, I like the smell of shampoo, dry shampoos. Oh, it smells gorge. And again, never heard of that brand, but that's what I mean, that's why I like beauty boxes. Obviously, I know beauty products, makeup, skincare, hair, and all that jazz can be quite pricey, so I think with the beauty boxes, it's a really good way to obviously try new products, new brands and stuff before buying the full lot. So, I mean, this is why I'm going to be loving these. I'm going to be buying all sorts by the end of this month. So yeah, so this is a 92ml bottle. Actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat and odour. So yeah, we'll give that a go. Oh, seems like we've got a couple of hair products in here. So this is actually some hairspray. So this is the Percy and Reed Stronghold hairspray. So, I mean, especially with it being really humid at the moment, I feel like I need hairspray. I've been using the Got To Be one, so I'm quite excited to try a new one. And this is a 50ml bottle, which is a decent sized pot, I think. And basically, yeah, just hairspray. It's just hairspray. Nothing really fancy you need to do with that. But yeah, so do you know what? I've just realised it's not showing me the retail prices for these. So what I'll do is when I'm editing this video, I will put the prices down here, and just so you can see what they normally retail at, and you can see how much the box is a month and stuff like that. So see how much the box is worth in total. I'll find out for you. So we've got that. Then we've got, oh, Love me a face mask, mate. So now we've got the AHC Natural Essential Mask. So this mask, formulated by the experts, it's made from naturally derived ingredients to promote hydration and healthy glowing skin. This mask locks in moisture without leaving your skin feeling greasy or sticky, which is handy to know because I've got really oily skin. So I hate it when I do a face mask and my skin's like proper oily after. It's just not what I need. So remove the sheet mask and position over the face, relax and infuse for 10 to 20 minutes. Then once removed, massage in any excess serum. So that's good to know because a lot of face masks do tell you to wipe your face after. And yeah, store it in the fridge and it's meant to help apparently. So I might give that a go on Sunday when I have a little bit of a pumper sesh. So yeah, again, I don't know the price of that. I will find out and pop it on the screen for you. Oh, this is exciting. Now this is like, I'm gonna love these two, oh my days. So here we go. Now I've got the Glow Mask Remover. So this is basically, all you need to do is add water and it will remove your makeup. So, I mean, music to my ears, literally. So this is a polyester fibre cloth specially designed to quickly and effectively remove product residue from the skin surface. The fibres don't absorb any product, making a cloth easy to clean and use, and is not rough on the skin so it doesn't cause any irritation. Love to hear that. And then it says all you need to do is wet the cloth with warm water and cover your face until the skin feels flushed. Using circular motions, cleanse the skin in circular motions, and it's machine washable as well, so you can just whack it in the washer, give it a little clean. Yeah, cute packaging. All these are really cute packaging. I just want to feel it, you know. Oh yeah, that is a really, oh, it's like a glove. Oh, I like it, it's cute. It's pink as well, so extra cute, mate. So that's that, so I'll give that a go. Do you know what? I've got a right good routine going on here. I've got the fibre cloth to take my makeup off. I've got the face mask to put on after my makeup's removed. Then obviously I've got some hairspray and some dry shampoo. Mate, I'm going to be looking fleeky from now onwards. So again, I don't know how much this Glow Mask Remover is, but I'll find out and I'll pop it on the screen. And then the last and final product, which I mean I'm pretty excited about. It's only small to be honest, but here we go. Then we've got the Ciate. This is a illuminating blush. I mean, you know I love a cheeky little bit of blusher, and especially if it's an illuminating one, because I love a bit of highlighter, love that glow. Not too much, but just like a nice natural amount. So I don't know why, but this packaging reminds me of like Christmas. Like, tell me if you don't think the same. Like, it looks Christmassy, don't it? But anyway, so it's a long wear skin brightening blush. So I'll just open it up and we can have a little look. Like I said, it is only small to be honest, but it looks super, super cute. I mean, let's do a little swatch. Oh yeah, I love it. Oh, it feels so nice as well, like the texture of it. And it is really peachy and pinky, I like it. I mean, it's probably not the best swatch there, guys, sorry. I'm not the best at swatches. Let's do a little read up on it. So get a natural flush of colour and right, yeah, so I said to you, I like a blusher that's more of like a natural blush, so it looks like you're naturally blushing, you know? So get a natural flush of colour and glow with this marble illuminating blusher with a lightweight finish. Did feel really lightweight on my fingers to be honest. And it's ideal for any no makeup look whilst being buildable for something more full coverage. So this is giving you like an option really. You can, you know, use it if you just want to quickly whack a little bit on, or if you want to go more full blown, you can also use it during that. So excited to try that because blushes, do you know what? I'm not really a massive powder blusher fan. I prefer more liquid blushes. I've been loving obviously the NARS, you know that I love the liquid blush in the shade Orgasm. But other than that, I've been using their Air Matte blushes. I don't know if you've tried them, but they're unreal. So I've only really been sticking towards like liquid and sort of creamy products when it comes to blush. But excited to try this powdered one. So I'll give that a go as well and we'll see how we get on. But yeah, again, I don't know the price. What I'll do is I'll find out for you. I'll find out all the products, all the prices of the products, and I'll find out how much the box was worth. But yeah, again, you can buy this box for £15, or if you prefer, you can subscribe and do it 3 months, 6 months or 12 months, which will obviously get you some discount on the box. But yeah, so we'll just go through the products quickly again, just a quick briefing of what we've just gone through. And yeah, I mean, I'm loving it, I'm loving it. So we've got 6 products in total, which I thought was quite a lot. So again, we've got the Glow Mask, which is the makeup remover mask. Then we've got the Percy and Reed Hairspray, along with the Living Proof Perfect Dry Shampoo. Then we've got the Ahava Smoothing Body Lotion. Then we've got the Cheeky AHC Natural Essential Mask. And then last but not least, we've got this little bad boy. So yeah, I mean, I think that's well worth 15 quid. So, I mean, I like this box. I feel like it's got a mixture of things. Sometimes beauty boxes can be full of like things that you don't need, where I feel like I'm literally going to use all of these. I'm going to use the hairspray, the dry shampoo, definitely the body lotion. Love me some body lotion. We'll obviously use the mask, makeup remover, and of course the face mask. And then the blusher, I'm going to give that a try. I hope I like it because, like I said, I do prefer liquid blushers. But yeah, also let me know if you decide to purchase this box, if this box is something you like. Let me know in the comments below. I'll be really interested to see what you guys think of it this month. So this is the August one, and I'll be back again next month with the September box. But I'll just see if they've got a preview, because I normally have a preview of you know, the month ahead. So let's have a little look. What's coming up? So for our September box, we launched a competition on our Instagram, giving our lovely followers the chance to design the box. We can't wait to show you what the winning result was. So it's just showing me that there's going to be the Terry Balm in there. I'm already excited. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and then you won't miss out on next month's unboxing. But other than that, I'll see you next week, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave a lovely little comment in the comment section. Thank you.